Welcome to Fifth Borobudur International Symposium. Uh, the title of our research is Study of Memorable Tourism Experience, or MTE, through the virtual tour of Indonesian National Museum. Our team are myself, Muhammad Arizar Hidayat. Second is Wagik Murwan Nugroho, Professor Wagik Murwan Nugroho. Uh, the member of our team is Agung Eko Budi Waspada. Fourth member is Farozila Ramli, and the last member is Bapak Muhammad Ishak. The content of our presentation is the first content is introduction, second research methodology, for result and discussion, and the last content is conclusions. Introduction, the background of our research is we got the virtual tour from Indonesia National Museum. This virtual tour is the part of innovation from Indonesia National Museum to offer virtual visit a memorable tourism experience is a crucial element sought by tourists during their travel. The experience of touring in the real world and virtual reality is undoubtedly different. So the aim of our research is how virtual tour give memorable tourism experience in it between real world experience of tourist activity. Based on the background above, we got the research question. The first question is, how does the user interface of virtual tour technology narrate each collection of the National Museum? The second question is, what is the memorable tourism experience from in the user experience when interacting with the virtual tour of National Museum of Indonesia? Research methodology, we do qualitative approach. Qualitative approach is one research method aimed to understanding complex phenomena based from Creswell 2014, and we use phenomenological methodology, which is an approach in qualitative research that emphasize direct observation of phenomena occurring in the universe. Phenomenology based from Greek language, the root is phenomenon, that referring to phenomena. So the first discussion, we talk about user interface of virtual tour, narrating each museum collections. The first aspect is visibility. So virtual tour offer narrating to the user to be a guide, to guide the visitor. Then the virtual tour give the experience like a physical museum trip, and virtual tour give knowledge to user for study the collection easily. The second aspect of user interface is responsiveness. So virtual tour offer uh, to user to narrating museum collection uh, like interacting directly, like physical collection in the museum. Then direct virtual tour visitors to floor or other part of the museum to explore the museum from through the virtual tour. Consistency, use virtual tour, uh, narrating uh, user recognize design pattern in virtual tour, uh, provide clear provide clear visual guidance for users, and intuitive and easy to understand for visitor. Then the for aspect of user interface, virtual tour is feedback. So virtual tour fulfilling the need for accurate information to users, but not enough pop-up menus. Pop-up menus on the same collection. The last aspect of user interface is aesthetic. So the combination of simple UI and aesthetic representation of the museum give the aesthetic feeling to the users. Then accurate description of the state of the collection within the physical space of the museum. Then the second discussion is analysis of MTE from in user experience. So we got 7 components of MTE. And we got UX, user experience. So user experience will be described into 6 points. So the first point is perception, interaction, evaluation, emotion, relationship, and accessibility. Each description of UX will be announced different component of MTE. Each point of UX description will be randomly find different find of each MTA component. Maybe one description of UX will be access 1, 2, or 3 MTA component. The conclusion are the virtual tour Museum Nasional Indonesian user interface create a narrative that immerse users in realistic museum experience, evident, user-friendly, responsive, consistent, feedback-driven, and aesthetically pleasing design. The overall design successfully replicate the atmosphere of physical museum, offering user to deep and valuable experience when virtually exploring collection and exhibition spaces. Each UX description point has the potential to influence 1, 2, or more components of an unforgettable travel experience, resulting in dynamic and varied interaction and relationship. So this underscores that each experience is a distinctive combination of elements shaped by the interaction between UX description point and component of MTA. So that's it. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you.